Good morning to everyone. In the last class, we have discussed about CDS views associations. And today, we will discuss a few more concepts in CDS. I'm creating one CDS view here. This is for casting and click on next button. Next. Define view, fine. Click on finish button. And here, I'm just giving something SQL view name here. ZAOH2 and SQL8. And here I'm picking something data from VBAK table. And here VBELN, AUDAT, Punar, and VBTYP. So these four fields I'm picking from this KN event, VBAK table, and I'm executing it here. Something data is coming, but here VBTYP is coming like LCP, something it is coming like this. But my requirement is if the document type is C, then this is the order. And if it is A, then this is the inquiry. If it is B, then this is a quotation. So if you open the table in AC11 transaction, just go to VBAK table. Here we can see VBTYP. Now click on F4 button. We can see the description. If the document type is A, then this is the inquiry. If it is B, then quotation. If it is C, then this is the sales order. So this is the document type. So I want to display the description for the document type for A, B, C. So for that one, I'm using something case. I will use something case statement here. A select query only. So we already discussed this one in the uh, open SQL statements. Same thing I'm applying here. Case VBTYP. Okay. When the document type is A, then I want to display something inquiry. When it is B, then I want to display it as the quotation. And when it is C, then it is the order. Okay. And as document type. Okay. And something, but it is a case expression without else branch. Fine, let me check it here, how it is coming. Just activate it and execute it, execute the view. And now we can see something C is coming, C is per order. And if you scroll down, we can see something A, document type A is inquiry and B is per quotation. Okay, so this is fine. And if it is other than A, B, C, it is coming like empty, right? So I want to fill that one also. So in that case, else not defined. Now activate it, execute it. See, this is L. So for this L, it is coming like not assign. Okay, and for C order, if it is A, B, C, the description will come. But other than A, B, C, the description will come like in A, not assign. Okay, so this is the way to write the case statement in a select query in CDS views. Fine. Now, I will check with some enhancements in CDS views. Guys, 1 minute. Yeah, fine. And now, this is the view, and now I want to do some enhancement here. Okay, so I will create one more CDS view. JAOH2 CDS 9, and this is the enhancement. Click on next button and click on next button. Here we are using something enhancement. It is nothing but extend view. Okay, here we will, I have created one view here, right? I have created one view JAOH2 CDS 8. So I'm taking some fields here. So near 5 fields I'm taking. Okay, so other than this one, I want to add some more fields. Okay, but I don't want to touch it directly. But I want to add some more fields here. So in real time, we will contain some table. In that table, in standard table is there. If you want to add some more fields in the table, then directly we cannot add by using append structure. Append structure we can add. If it is the custom table, then we can go for append structure or include structure, whatever it is. The same way here also, we should not add the fields directly. We need to add the fields by using some extend view. So for that one, I'm creating one extend view here. Okay. Here define view is there. I'm not taking the define view. I'm just taking extend view. Okay, just template will come. Some code will come. Predefined code will come. So in that code, we just add some table name, field names like that. So click on finish button. SQL view name jet CDS. Sorry. JAOH2 underscore SQL 9. And if you see here, extend view name is coming. Okay. So for which view we are adding some enhancements, we are adding some fields. So the view name is jet CDS underscore, sorry, AOH2 underscore CDS 8. Okay. So this is the view. The view is available here. Jet AOH2 underscore CDS 8. Yeah, with CDS, I mean JAOH2 CDS 9. Okay. Now what I'm doing, if you are using, okay, here I'm using something VBAK table. If you want to add the fields from VBAK table only, okay, by using extend view, then directly we can write the field names from the VBAK. So this is the VBAK and this is the ERDAT and ERNAM also I want to add. Okay, fine. And here ERDAT and ERNAM and what is showing here, the column, sorry, the field name is different, wrong here, ERDAT and ERNAM. Now activate it, save and activate it. It's activated. Okay, the view is activated, and if you come to the CDS 8, okay, ZAOH2 CDS 8, this is the base view, this is the parent view. Okay, so here just activate it once again. See, something squirrel symbol is coming. Okay, so the meaning of the squirrel symbol is we have done some enhancement for this view. Okay, ZAOH2 CDS8, this is the view. So for this one, something enhancement has done. So if you click on this squirrel button, then it is showing like ZAOH2 CDS8 casting and extended with ZAOH2 CDS9. Okay, so we have created one extended view. The view name is AOH2 CDS9. So for this AOH2 CDS8 means, so this is the view and we are doing something enhancement for this CDS8. Okay, CDS8, where we are doing where we are adding the fields by using ZAOH to CDS9. Okay, by using this extended view, we're adding some fields to this view. This is a parent view. Fine. Now activate it and execute it. See, here it is displaying VBEL and AUDAT Kumar and VBTVP document. Type is coming ERDAT and ERNAM. And if you see here, only 5 columns of information I am just maintaining, but if you see here, 7 columns information is coming. Remaining, ERDAT, ERNAM, these columns information is coming from extended view from this one. Okay, and so this is the SQL view name, right? Click on F3 button, it will go to the DDIC, S11 transaction. We can see something append structure is coming. Okay, dot append ZAOH to SQL line. This is the view name. Here I am giving ZAOH to SQL line as the SQL view name, right? So this SQL view name is adding in the append structure, and the fields also coming. Okay, fine. Now this is from same table, but I want to add some VBAP information, not from VBAK table. So I will remove this one and I will add something, some Postner and Matter information. So at that time, so I'm using something association to VBAP on VBAK.VBELN is equal to VBAP.VBELN, and here VBAP.V Postner and VBAP.MATNA, right? And issuing something error. What is this one? The component V does not exist or not activate. What is this V? Okay, fine. There is no error now. Activate it. It's activated. Here I am just mentioning VBAP.postNow. So we already discussed about this one, why we have to take VBAP. We are using something association concepts, and for a right side table, we need to mention the table name or alias name. Here I am not maintaining any alias name. That is why I am maintaining the table name but field name. If you remove this table name here, it will show something error. See here, something error is coming. The column Postner is unknown. Okay, so we need to write the alias name or the table name. So VBAP.postner I'm maintaining here and activate it once again. And come here, CDS8 and activate it once again. Now execute it. If you see something Postner and Matner is coming. Previously something ERDAT, some more fields were coming from VBAK table, but Postner and Matner is coming from VBAP table. And if you click on F3 button. Okay, and we can see the field names Postner and Matt now. Okay, fine. And now here what I'm doing, I will write something aggregate functions like sum of NETWR, okay, as sum NETWR. It is showing something multiple markers or the line view has extensions, group by class missing, fine. I will add the group by here, group by VBELN. Now save it and activate it. So it is showing something errors. Open ABAP log, something, just open it and it is showing something here. See here the column name, the column Matner is not contained in the group by list and the Postner not contained in the group by list. See, we have one rule like whenever we are using something aggregate function like sum, minimum, maximum like that. So other than the functions, whatever the fields we are taking, so those all fields we have to mention in the group by. For example, here I am taking something VBELN and something AUDAT or something VBAK. At that time, we have to maintain those all fields. Okay, those all fields in the for example, here VBELN. Not I'm taking one more field. So at that time, we need to mention this kunar also here, separated by comma. Okay, how many fields we are taking other than the functions here? Those all fields we have to maintain the group by, otherwise it will throw error. And one more thing, here we are doing something extension view, right? In the CDS 9, we are doing something extension view. Here also, this is taking something Postner and Matner. Means, so indirectly, these fields also will consider here, right? We need to maintain those things also. So what I will do here, and now I will come here and it is showing something error. Column Postner is not contained a group by, fine. I will remove this Postner here. Okay. Matter is coming and here group by I will write. Group by Mat now. Right? Fine. VBAP.mat now. Now it is showing something error. The column name Postner is not contained in group by list, but okay, it came here. Fine. Now activate it. It is showing something error. And come here. ZAOH2 DDL source extend, fine. The parent has aggregate function, fine. So what it is showing here, uh, see in this CDS8, this is the base view, parent view. Just activate it here. It is also showing something error. So what is the error? The error extension by list, fine. So the 1 minute, I will remove this extension view. No, it will not work like that. So, I mean, the error is containing like we are using something aggregate functions here, something sum of NATWR like that we are using. And if we are using something aggregate functions and we are creating something enhancement for that one, extended view we are creating for that view, then we have to use one more annotation for that one. Otherwise, it is showing something errors. See, let me add the one annotation here at the date abap catalog dot. view enhancement category and click on control plus space button, and here we need to write something group by. Okay, because we are using something group by aggregate functions we are using, that is why we have to apply this group by here. And one more thing, if we are using something group by and we have to use some projection list also, otherwise it will not accept, it will not consider. So projection list also we have to take. And if we are working on something union, here aggregate functions we are using, right? Something, some minimum maximum like that, and at that time we are using something group by. So I am considering the group by. If we are working on union instead of this aggregate functions, if we are using on union, then we have to apply this union also, otherwise it will throw error. So as of now, group by and projection list I'm mentioning. And now activate it. It is showing something an error. Okay, it is containing the old one only. So what I will do, so here activate it. No. So what I will do, I will define view name ZAOH2 underscore CDS8 as select from BBAP. Okay, BBAP fine, and just remove it here, and group by not required. Open the brace, fine, and this is let me check it, save this one and check it. It is showing something error, activate it. Okay, something pop-up is coming, fine. So here we can see something annotation per above catalog.sql view name does not exist. Fine. I will use something different name 09. I'm just adding. Just activate it. Okay, fine. It is showing something error. Okay. Okay. I will do one more thing. I will I will delete this one first of all. Delete this view here. Yes, finish. So now only 8 is available. AOH2 CDS8 is available. Now activate it, because the dependence previously I have created something extended view and it is depending on this CDS8 view. So it is not activating. So I have removed that view and now activate it, and the square symbol is not showing here and it is activated. Now I will create that view. Just AOH2 CDS9. Testing. Click on next button, and is the extended view only, and click on finish button. Okay, and base view or parent view is a ZAOH2 series 8. Okay, and here I need to add some association VBAP on condition VBAK.VBELN is equal to VBAP.VBELN, and here Matner I am just maintaining, and here we need to use some group by, and here also we need to add the table name VBAP.matner and here group by vbap.mat now. Now view name here jet aoh2 underscore SQL9. Now activate it here. It's activated. Okay, it's activated. Fine. Now here activate it once again. Now we can see something squirrel symbol. Okay, squirrel symbol we can see, and now execute it. See, it is coming like this. Okay, matter is coming here. Fine. And now I will comment this annotation. Okay, now activate the view. It will show something error. Oh, it is not showing. Okay, it is not showing any error. Fine. Just come here, CDS9, and now activate it once again here. Now it is showing something error. Okay, the parent view is not showing any error, but the extended view is showing something error. Okay, so what it is showing error? So get AOH to CDS9 is the real source code of find parent get AOH to CDS8 as aggregate function. Okay, this is the error. Parent get AOH to CDS8 has aggregate function or group by extension not. Okay, not possible because we are not telling to the system the extended view is not possible here because we are not telling to the system just add some enhancement like that. Okay, so if you are doing something enhancement for this group by for this aggregate function, then we need to mention this one. Just activate it. The parent view is activated and come to the extended view. Now here also just activate it. Now it's activated. It is not showing any error. It is activated. Okay, because of adding this annotation. Okay, don't forget about this. Don't forget about this annotation. So, so by using this annotation, we are telling to the system we need to add some extension view. Okay, for this, I mean we are, just allow the some enhancement or allow the extended view for this one. Okay, so this is the extended view concept and some aggregate function also. I mean here we can use something some minimum, maximum, or count star, whatever it is. Okay, in we already discussed these all things in open SQL statements. Okay, same concept here also it will apply. Fine, and some SQL functions like I will create one more view here. ZAOH2 underscore CDS 10. I am just maintaining. This is for testing and click on next button. Next and define view. I am just maintaining and click on finish button. And the SQL view name is ZAOH2 underscore SQL10. And the table name I am just maintaining it from BBAK. I think I have created one custom table. The custom table name is ZBBAK. So just open that table here, ZBBAK, and click on display button. Here I'm just maintaining something BBELN and ERNAM, AUART, and BBTYP. Fine, I will add the MANDT field also here. So let me click on edit symbol, and here click on place button, and here I will add something MANDT. Save it. Utilities, database object, database utility, and adjust the database utility. Yeah. Okay, it is adjusted and activate the table here. Table is activated and execute it here. What I'm doing, I'm taking something, some VBELN and ERNAM and something AVRT, VBTYP and NETWR. Okay, net price I'm maintaining here 10,28 means 10.28, 10.92, 10.29. This is a minus symbol. Okay, minus and something customer names and the and something currency is coming here. Fine. So this is the table, and I will go to the CDSP here. I'm picking the data from VBAK and I'm mentioning the field names like VBELN and NETWR and something SQL functions, right? And here something sale of NETWR as sale NETWR. So we already discussed about these things, sale, floor, okay, and some absolute, some division, some round. So these all things we have discussed in the open SQL statements. So same thing will come here. Syntax error in the following element. Okay, fine. Sale after sale, something floor of NETWR as floor NETWR and ABS of NETWR as absolute means ABS NETWR. Okay. If you see the output, then we can understand what it is. Fine. And DAV something 9,2 as DAV value something and division 9,2, as I will let you know what is the difference here. What is the difference between DAV and division? Okay, and round value. Just activate it and execute it here. This is activated and execute this view. We can see the net value is coming like 0.00. Okay, and something sale is coming. So I will do one thing. I will give something where condition like where NETWR greater than 0. Okay, 0 values I don't want to consider here. That is why I'm giving something condition here and execute this view once again, and we can see something. Sales document number 1 to 3 I have added, right? So where is the sales? See here, 1 is coming, sales document number 1. So for this one, 10.28 is the NETWR net value, and for this one, seal is 11. Okay, means so what is the next value for 10? So that value is coming like 11. This is the seal value, and after that one, floor is coming. Floor means so what is the digits here? Digits it will remove. Okay, digits it will remove and it will pick the main value. Main value is 10 here, so the value is 10 is coming. And the absolute means if the something minus value came, okay, minus, so that minus value will convert into plus. Okay, I will show that one also, because I have given some condition like where NETW was greater than 0, that is why the minus value is not coming. So I will remove the where condition and I will display it once again. So as of now, the absolute is coming like the plus symbol is coming fine, and the ABS, this is, I mean, ABS NTW, this is fine, and here division 4.5 is coming. We will discuss it here. And the round is coming like uh, here 10.28 I have mentioned, and in the syntax I have mentioned like round of NETWR comma 1 means I need to consider one digit. Okay, after dot I want to consider only one digit. Okay, so after that one digit, what is the value is there? 8 is there, right? So if it is greater than or is equal to 5, then I need to add plus 1 to the plus 1 digit. Okay, 10.28 is there, so I need to consider up to 10.2 only, and 8 is greater than or is equal to 5, so it will add plus 1 to the digit. Okay, then 10.30 is coming here, and coming to the next one, 10.92 is there. Okay, so here up to one digit, I mean 10.1 it will consider, and after that one it is 2 is there, but 2 is not greater than or is equal to 5, so it will not add anything. It will take like 10.9 only. Okay, so this is the 10.9 is coming, so it will applicable for all things. And coming to the division, div and division. Okay, so div means, so 9 comma 2 I have maintained, right? And if you see here 9 comma 2 I have maintained means, so 9 by 2. Okay, 2 4 are 8 means total 4 is coming, so that 4 is coming. And after that one something, if you want to apply something 0 at the remainder, so at that time we have to add something 2.5. Okay, so 9 by 2 means 2 point, I mean 9 by 2 means, I mean the value 4.5. Okay, so if you multiple with 4.5 into 2, then the value is coming 9, right? So the digits value are coming in the division. Okay, the digit value is coming in the division, but the digit value will not come in the div. So that is the difference here. Div and division. Div, it will not allow any uh, uh, digits after dot, it will not show anything. And here division, it is showing 9 comma 2, 9 by 2, and the digits, how many digits you want here. So I want digit something 5 digits. Okay, I will give here something 10 comma 3. Okay, 10 comma 3, and I'm removing the greater than 0, I mean the where condition, I'm removing it here and activate it. Execute the program, execute the view. Now we can see the division is coming like 3.3333. Mean I have maintained see here 10 comma 3 comma 5 means 10 by 3. Okay, division 10 by 3, and after that one we should consider 5 digits. 5 digits. So it is showing like this. After 3.3333, it is showing like this. And I will change the value here for our understanding purpose. I will maintain something. Okay, now activate it and execute it. Now we can see something value here. Okay. And fine, absolute came, right. So for the document number 3, the absolute is coming like this. 10.29 is okay, but minus symbol is there. Okay, so if you come to the absolute value, okay, ABS of NETWR, the syntax is here. ABS of NETWR means if there is any minus symbol, minus values are there, then I want to convert into the plus. Okay, so minus 10.29 is there, and now it is converting to plus 10.29. Fine, this is the way to write some SQL functions. And here I have one more concept like casting. Cast of VBELN comma cap 30. Cast VBELN. But the warning here, cast VBELN to identical type char, fine, there is no issue. So actually the VBELN in this table is the character 10. Okay, but in my program I want to convert it into a character 30 because uh, I mean a few cases are there, like we are fetching something data from one table, but we need to pass the data to another table, but in that another table the data uh, I mean the length, the data type and length will be there, right? But the data length is different. At that time we need to convert it, means we need to loop the internal table and we have to take one more column for that specific field, and we need to pass the data, and after that one we need to write a select query on top of that second table. But here it's not like that. In the single select query only, that the value, the data type and length is converting to another data type. Okay, and not required to any loop here, and directly the value is converting into character 30. If you activate and execute it, it will not display the length here, but internally the background it will contain up to 30 characters. Here it is not showing any 30 characters. It is displaying only 10 characters because in the VB, I mean get VB table they have maintained some 10 characters for VBELN field. That is why it is showing only 10 characters here. And whenever we are passing the value to the another table, then it will consider like 30 characters. Okay, it will treat like 30 characters field. So this is the casting option here. We can convert from one data type length to another data type length. Okay, so these are the SQL functions, and